who started contributing. But let's say some of the posts that did well, like there was a series which was Malayali experiences. So people talking about how their parents caught them watching porn, or people talking about how their parents found out about the relationship. ഇതിലത്തെ കഥകളൊക്കെ ഈ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന്റെ കഥകളാണ്. And other, it started compounding. So these real experiences were what we documented on Pink Lungi, and that's what led to Pink Lungi starting out.
So like the starting can be chaotic, right? അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ തുടക്കത്തിൽ ഇത്രയൊന്നും ഐഡിയ കാണണമെന്നില്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ അതായത് they pushed you really, right? But when was the point that you really thought this is something that's going to be big? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതിലേക്ക് full ആയിട്ട് ഇറങ്ങാം എന്ന് തോന്നിപ്പോയ ഒരു മൊമെന്റ് എപ്പോഴായിരുന്നു?
It's not because of Pink Lungi, it's because of my main work. So I used to work at a publishing firm. So avada ഒരു ദിവസം you know we had to meet targets and stuff, right? And I was like ഒരു month endil target meet ചെയ്തു. The next day I realized that this is back to square one. ഈ മന്ത് ടാർഗറ്റ് മീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം, മീറ്റ് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ ബഹളം ഉണ്ടാവും, ഇതൊക്കെ കേൾക്കേണ്ടി വരും. So then I was like, why am I not doing the same with Pink Lungi? There is potential there. There are things that we can do there. And by that time, Aishwarya had gone full time. So what happened was COVID samayata, we started working from home. We moved back to Kerala, and the working hours were crazy because when you work from home, it's just you are never off work. So Aishwarya quit after a point, saying that let's try building this. And but still the thing was, end salary varnondu. There is no pressure of targets or anything. You're just doing it for a passion project item. So ee nalanam vechittu end personal profile ഞാൻ build ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കും. I'll just keep posting continuously ഈ മൂന്ന് vertical and at least 3 times a week, ഒരു post a week ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ after about 2 months you will have a slight idea of what's working and what's not working. Appo next month it will be a gradual improvement. And this gradual improvement is, that's where people fail. That's where people give up. Don't give up on the You just have to stay persistent. There might be 100,000 influencers or more, but there's still a market gap. Because if you look at it, everybody is still